Welcome, today in front of me SONY XPERIA Pro-I, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So I'll go with a new feature with a new screen to show you how you can do that to have a little bit more space. And now you just should hold for a while your device screen and then click here on the widgets icon. Here you can see all of the available widgets that we can add to our device home screen. For example, we can go with the clock one. Just hold for a while and drag this widget for example on this left upper corner. Also we can change the size of this widget by this way. As can you see, we can make it smaller or bigger. By the same way, we can add here one more widget, for example the calendar schedule. Just hold for a while and drag it here. Also you can change the size of this widget by this way, as can you see. And if you want to just remove this widget, you should hold for a while and drag it here to the subsection. Also you can just create the new screens for the widgets, or just to move these widgets between the screens, and just to remove that, hold it and drag it to the subsection to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.